Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You open Sheets on your phone and pick a planner template or a blank sheet so you can start fast. Create columns for date, time, task, duration, priority, and status. Freeze the header so it stays visible. Add drop-downs for priority and status and insert checkboxes for completion to speed entry. Use simple formulas like equals today in a helper cell to auto-populate dates. Once done, make the top row readable and compact so entries fit a mobile screen. You add interactivity so the sheet works like an app. Insert conditional formatting rules to highlight overdue items and high-priority tasks. This draws your eye quickly. Use equals filter to show only today's rows and equals sort to order by time. Equals IF transforms a checked box into a strike-through or archived row. Create reusable time block templates with data validation lists for recurring routines. Once done, test entering a sample task and watch the formatting and filters update immediately so you know it behaves on mobile. You finalize layout, protect key ranges, and set sharing so trusted devices can edit. Enable offline access in the mobile app and make a backup copy or rely on version history for rollbacks. This prevents data loss. Set notification rules for changes if you want alerts. Once done, sync to Google Drive and confirm changes appear on desktop. If syncing stalls, try toggling offline mode, clearing the app cache, updating the app, and reauthorizing your Google account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.